Hey everyone, this is Saiswan Shojiv and today I'm gonna talk about GDPR. Okay, so if you're using any online service at all, your mailbox should be flooded with mails related to GDPR like mine. The funny thing is, it might be annoying and all, but it really shifts the major control over our data from the service provided to us. Interestingly enough, a lot of people think that GDPR is an aftermath of the whole Facebook debacle, but actually it's not. The GDPR or General Data Protection Right is a regulation in EU law on data protection and privacy for all individuals within the European Union or the European Economic Area. It was passed on April 2016 and is enforced from 25th May 2018. So you see, recently there were a lot of mails because the deadline was really close. So yeah, they gave 2 years of transition period for services to fix their things. So yeah, it really doesn't have that much to do with Facebook. So yep. GDPR's main goal is to give the users control over their personal data. It also includes rules regarding the data of EU residents must be stored inside of Europe. It is automatically implemented on every company who is operating inside EU. That means if you have any user inside of Europe, the law is enforced on you. There are options to update the company's privacy policy or just stop services until it is fixed. GDPR emphasizes on data protection, privacy and security. Two, businesses that work with data are ordered to add data protection with default and by design. Basically, what that is suggesting is they should store all their data in full anonymity and using the highest possible privacy settings by default actually. So yeah, you understand that the highest privacy settings will be by default and the users will have access to change that to whatever privacy settings they want, so that the data cannot be processed to trace back to the user. So yeah, you understand that the data you put out on Facebook can be used to track back to you using data mining and stuff, you know. So yeah, and no personal data may be processed unless it is explicitly being permitted by the data subject. So without your permission, companies won't be able to process your data. In case of a data breach, the companies are required to report within 72 hours if they have any adverse effect on the user's privacy. And the best part about GDPR is the companies ask you if you want to have newsletters or not. It helped me reduce the number of junk emails on my mailbox and get organized. So yeah, it helped me being productive. Okay, all in all, the GDPR is actually a blessing to the netizens as all of its terms and conditions are in favor of the user. But the sad part is most people don't even care about their privacy or security unless they're a victim. And Bangladeshis are definitely not worried about online privacy and securities at all. But I understand why. But as many people are getting access to the internet and using it on a daily basis, the more personalized data are being created. And trust me when I say this, these data can be used to destroy people's lives. So that's it for today. Drop a like if you think it is helpful and feel free to comment down below. Links of important things will be down in the description, and share this with your friends if you think it's helpful for them. Until then, peace out.